Welcome back to Mystic Fact. In today's video, we'll be talking about the town where it rains fish. If you're new here, kindly like and subscribe for more shocking discoveries. Imagine standing in the street. Rain begins to fall. But what hits the ground isn't water. It's fish, hundreds of them, falling from the sky like silver raindrops. This isn't a legend. It happens every year in a real town, a place where the impossible becomes routine. Welcome to Yoro, Honduras, the town where it rains fish. Every year between May and July, something extraordinary happens in this quiet Central American town. As the wet season begins, powerful storms sweep through the valley, black clouds roll in, thunder roars, and the people of Yoro prepare. Because they know what's coming. Not just rain, but a miracle. When the storm ends and the streets are still soaked, the villagers come outside and find fish, live fish, flopping all over the ground. Tiny silver sardines scattered across fields, rooftops, and roads. The people of Yoro call it Lluvia de Peces, the rain of fish. It's not just a weather event, it's part of their identity, passed down through generations. When it happens, families rush outside with baskets and bowls, collecting the fish to cook and share. It's a celebration, a gift from the heavens. Every year, the community holds a Festival de la Lluvia de Peces, a day filled with music, food, and gratitude. Because for them, this isn't a mystery, it's a blessing. Local legend says the miracle began more than 100 years ago, when a missionary named Father Jose Subarana visited Yoro. He found a town plagued by poverty and hunger. The people prayed for food day after day. Moved by their faith, Father Subarana prayed to God to bless them with sustenance. And then, the story goes, the first rain of fish began. Since that day, the miracle has returned almost every year, always after a heavy thunderstorm, always in the same place. Of course, not everyone believes it's divine. Scientists have been studying the phenomenon for decades, trying to explain what really happens in Yoro. One theory suggests that tornado-like waterspouts form over rivers or lakes, sucking up small fish into the clouds. The fish are then carried for miles before being dropped over land when the storm collapses. But there's a twist. Researchers in Yoro found that the fish raining from the sky aren't found in any nearby rivers or lakes. They're a species that lives in deeper waters, nowhere near the town. So even science doesn't have a complete answer. For the people of Yoro, it doesn't matter whether it's science or faith. They see it as a miracle, a sign that their prayers are heard. Every drop of rain, every fish that falls, is a reminder that their small town holds something the rest of the world can't explain. Whether it's a freak weather pattern or divine intervention, the people don't question it. They simply give thanks. In Yoro, time seems to pause when the rain begins. Children look up to the sky, and the old remember the stories their ancestors told. Because in this town, the impossible isn't just believed, it happens. The world may have science, logic, and data, but here, in the town where it rains fish, miracles still fall from the sky.